Let's look at 4 ways to build wealth even when you don't come from money. Number 4, practice extreme saving from your income. One of the smartest things you can do with your money is to start practicing extreme saving. By setting aside a large portion of your income and living off of the rest, you can quickly build up a nest egg that you can use to invest in yourself and your future. Not only will this allow you to save for retirement or other long-term goals, but it will also allow you to take advantage of opportunities as they arise. The key to successful extreme saving is to make it a habit. Once you get into the habit of living off of a smaller portion of your income, it will become second nature, and you'll be able to achieve financial freedom in no time. So start practicing extreme saving today and watch your wealth grow. Number 3, improve your skill set. Building wealth from nothing may seem like a daunting task, but there are a number of strategies that can help you get started. One approach is to focus on improving your skill set. By increasing your knowledge and expertise, you will become more valuable to employers and be in a better position to negotiate raises or land promotions. You can also use your skills to start your own business, which can provide an even greater financial return. Regardless of which route you choose, investing in yourself is one of the best ways to build wealth from scratch. Number 2, create passive income. One way to build wealth from nothing is to create passive income. Having a job that pays you a nice salary is great, but in order to create true wealth, you've got to start creating passive income. And the more streams of passive income, the better. These days, there are many ways to make money online. With a little creativity and effort, you can easily earn a steady income from the comfort of your own home. Here are just a few ideas to get you started. Start a blog and sell advertising space. If you have something valuable to say and a large enough audience, companies will be happy to pay you to place ads on your blog. Create and sell an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell an online course teaching others what you know. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. With this type of investment, you can earn passive income by investing in a portfolio of properties without having to actually own or manage any of them yourself. Write and self-publish an ebook. With the help of Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, anyone can self-publish an ebook and earn royalties on every sale. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting products and services for other businesses on your website or blog. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, start passive investing. Passive investing is a strategy that emphasizes investing in stocks or other securities that require minimal effort to maintain. This can include index funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and real estate investment trusts, REITs. The goal of passive investing is to achieve long-term capital growth by tracking the performance of a broad market index. Passive investors typically have a buy and hold approach, and they don't try to time the market. While there's no guarantee that passive investing will always outperform active strategies, it has proven to be effective over the long run. For investors starting from nothing, passive investing can be an excellent way to build wealth over time. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.